Hey friends, if copy paste is not working in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, copy paste for Chrome is not different from copy paste in Windows in general. So press Windows plus V to open the bar. I mean, to open the clipboard. I'll mention the shortcut here. It's Windows plus V as in Victor. So press Windows plus V to open it and click on clear all and then try again. Mostly this should help. If it does not, then try the following. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, manage extensions, and disable any problematic extension. Other than this, you can click on these three dots once again, select history, go to history, click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, and click on delete from this device. This should definitely help in fixing your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.